I gained 3 kg in less than 2 weeks. Hello, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Twee. Today I'll be sharing with you guys something a little different. So I've been on a gym journey consistently for over a year now. Part of that includes gaining weight. I grew up being a size petite. Now literally I can't fit my old clothes anymore. So I'm gonna break down to you how I gained weight fast. It's not only about gaining weight, also like how to grow your muscle too. And for those BBL allegations, so make sure you keep on watching, get your notepad, make sure you're taking notes. So roughly I consume 2,500 calories a week, 197 grams of protein, 102 grams of fat, and 230 grams of carbs. That's within a day. Do I eat that same number per day of grams? No. Like, I try to go as close as possible. I don't know why grams, calories, a lot of numbers, it can be helpful for others, but I know me personally, I just do what I can. Like, I do what I do, but I make sure I push myself. Before we start, this is my personal experience. I know people can consume way more than this within a week or 2 weeks. I was very athletic growing up. Gaining weight, no, it was kind of hard because I had a fast metabolism. Everyone's journey is different with weight gain, but I'm going to be telling you my personal experience. Literally, my goal was to gain healthy weight, build muscle, have those BBL allegations. I just wanted to add a bit of weight, you know, a bit of healthy weight, roughly around 5 kg. That when it comes to weight gain, make sure you consult with a personal trainer or a doctor or nutrition specialist, because you know everyone's body is different. With weight gain, it's not about eating junk food all the time, because we are trying to build muscle growth. It's about strategically increasing your calorie intake and prioritizing protein to build muscle growth, not fat. The fastest way I believe that helped me gain weight was literally drinking the calories. Okay, right now I am drinking this protein shake. It's got 57 grams of protein, and I believe this helped me to gain weight fast. Before, I wasn't really taking protein shakes. You want to eat more calories than you burn. Actually, we are burning calories whether you like it or not. When you're walking, when you're sleeping, especially using the toilet, you are losing some calories, so you want to be increasing the calorie intake. Apps that helped me track my calories was this app called Fit Days. You can literally record your weight. You need to use this Bluetooth scale, making sure that they're both connected so you can record it. It's not about feeling overly full or uncomfortable. That is no, like you don't want to forcefully eat. It's about gradual intake over drastic intake. Breaking it down day by day, you will start to increase more. Even when you don't eat, your body will tell you like, yo, we're supposed to eat this much, we're supposed to eat right now. We're going to talk about things that I eat in a day, starting off with breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. I was recommended by a personal trainer to eat 6 eggs a day. Do I eat 6 eggs a day? I've probably done that once. So I started by taking 1 egg a day. Hated eggs. Growing up, I just didn't really like eggs. I think because I was a picky eater. They'll be scrambled or be boiled. I recommend EU eggs because there's a good amount of protein in there. Do what you gotta do, you know, season your eggs, add some ketchup, hold your nose. If it makes you like gag, like don't force yourself. It's a good source of protein, especially first thing in the morning. You can have like an egg toast sandwich with avocado. You get you an English breakfast, you know, have you your sausage, your beans, your toast. This all sounds like pretty expensive, but you can buy from affordable shops. With your breakfast, add some fruits. Peanut butter is good as well. So let's say you're having toast, have you peanut butter instead of just butter. Have you some bananas. Cereal, use almond milk instead of regular milk. You want to really focus on eating your carbs when it comes to breakfast, because you need energy throughout the day, and as well protein for muscle building. So we just had our breakfast. Now we are on snacks. Nuts, fruits, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, you can get different types of flavor. I like the coconut flavored. Plain one is pretty nice as well. You can have a protein bar. You can get protein bars literally from anywhere. Literally snacking helps to close the gap when you're not eating. And I take these nuts. They're these milk chocolate peanuts. These are so good. They have about 13.4 grams of protein. Really good. And yeah, I always usually have these like in between my meals. They're really tasty. And from someone who's grown up not eating nuts, like, I've been missing out. When it comes to eating things like chocolate, sweets, don't feel bad, because it's all about balance. Don't think it's like this strict diet. You have to be on this crazy bulk mode, like where it's just meat. It doesn't have to be this crazy strict diet. Actually, I had takeaway like 2 days ago and had a Coke in the morning. Meals don't have to be this boring thing. Spice it up. Meal prep, if you're someone who has like a very busy, tight schedule. What I have for lunch, I mainly just have the leftovers that I have from last night. That like saves a lot. Let's say if you cooked a big meal the night before, make sure you save you some, like, don't waste food. Like, I usually have leftovers from last night, and I'm having high calorie dinner. So usually I have like a large chicken breast, rice, vegetables, some simple lunches you can have. You could have like pasta and tuna together. Tuna isn't expensive. You could buy like tuna from Aldi or something. When it comes to eating, you just want to think about, are you eating all your food groups? So let's say you are planning lunch. Does this have carbs? Does it have protein? Does it have vegetables? Like, you really want to eat all your food groups. That's when I go to the gym. So you're gonna need that energy when going to the gym. This is the protein powder that I take from this brand called Earth Champ. Vegan. You just need to use a plant-based milk or water. I just use regular milk, and yeah, this is super duper good. 57 grams of protein. I've been taking this every day. I don't know why when I first took it, I just thought, oh my gosh, now I'm gonna be like those crazy gym rats. Just the thought of every day making a protein shake just sounded dreadful to me. I've been taking it for a month now. Obviously there's some days where I skipped having my protein shakes because you don't need to take it every day, but the first 2 weeks have it consistently, and trust me, you will see results. It's so good, and especially to have on the go if you just miss breakfast. Don't think just because you're having this for the whole day and nothing else means that you're getting all your nutrients. If you miss breakfast and just have this, that's fine, but making sure you're eating between your meals while having the protein shake. So good for muscle growth. I heard that taking protein shakes after you work out is super duper good, helping your muscles recover. I don't know why as a woman I felt so insecure having big arms. It gives that whole illusion of like being thick. I'll get more into that later on. And again, after you have lunch, maybe you want to snack, have you some like crisp, a banana, Baby Bell. Honestly, with your diet, it doesn't have to be this huge investment. Just get you like a good protein powder, making sure that you're prioritizing protein. Try not to always see it as this food has this amount of grams. Think about your body, what it's telling you. Like, can you consume another plate? Then do it. Okay, next on to dinner. You want a high calorie dinner. I live in an African household, so the food is good. Making sure you have your lean protein, your meats, the salmon, steak. You can even make yourself a homemade burger. Don't get you know, like cheap, it expires the next day or expires today type meats. Try invest in a good protein powder. Other meals you can have pasta and meatballs, and try aim to go for seconds. That's not what weight gain is, forcefully eating, like none of that. I wanted to be the type of person that always had seconds. What I did would take breaks. And one thing that I love is with gaining weight over losing weight is that you won't feel bad like eating a lot and you're going to the gym. Again, you need to eat healthy. Like, that's no excuse to eat this crazy junk food. You will feel sick and it's not good for your body. Again, with snacks after dinner, have you some dessert, like get you some ice cream, flapjack, have you a biscuit, some milk. You don't have to have dessert all the time. I know I don't. You're probably thinking like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna eat all of that? Wake up early, meal prep, don't overcomplicate it. Eat what's in your fridge. Here are some like principles that can help you with your weight gain journey. Literally with any goal that you want to achieve, it's all about being consistent. Try avoid skipping meals. You can even repeat some of the same meals. Prioritize protein. Try to have protein in all your meals. Protein is what's going to build that muscle growth. I just can't stop flexing. Healthy eating, making sure you're having fruits. Don't be afraid to have fruits with your dinner. Like drinking your calories, I feel like will speed up the process because sometimes we may not have the time to cook. I'll link down below the one that I'm taking right now. And you don't have to take a protein shake if you're already consuming the right calories. Okay, making sure you listen to your body, talk to a doctor, talk to a PT. You gotta drink lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of water. Next, with the whole gaining weight, you want to work out. I focus on strength training. That was it. I wanted a big butt. But let's be real, that's the whole point. Like for my petite girlies, we want to be thick. Strength training will help build those muscles, will help build those legs, will help build those arms. You will get back if you strength train. And it's not about lifting super duper heavy. It's just all about having some type of resistance. I lift heavy, okay? If you watch my gym vlogs, I've made some crazy improvement from where I started. It's literally a lifestyle. I love going to the gym. I go around 3 to 4 times a week. I do 2 leg days on different days. Have you an arm day, upper body, back day, you know what I mean? You can talk to a PT, they will explain so much better. Like there should be one ever in your gym. Just talk to them. Invest in a personal trainer, work out with them. They will give you a diet plan. That's what I did in my early gym journey, and I'm still doing some of the same workouts that I was doing last year. You want to track your progress. How you're going to do that is weighing yourself. Quite rewarding. Went on the scale and I was like, oh, I am now 60 kg. Like last week I was 57. Now take you some before and after pics. Record your gym progress, record your weight gain progress. And also as well, people will notice before you. It's not only about like the BBL allegations or the weight gain, like being super thick. I I wanted to be strong. Glory to God, mashallah. Build those muscles. Be someone who's like fit, someone who's strong. Like anyone could be thick, anyone can walk around, wake up, be thick, but like it's just like you're not fit. Another way that I track my progress is some of my clothes aren't fitting. Like some of the gym clothes that I bought like a couple months ago, they're not fitting. And there's good and bad in everything. But that's literally how I did it. That's how I gained me. No impediment, no surgery, nothing. I showed up. Like I'm the one who is consuming the calories. I'm taking myself to the gym no matter the weather, whether it's pouring outside. Discipline helped me, and then having a strong why. Be consistent when you're eating as well. Try to avoid drinking water if you feel like that's the reason why you're not finishing your meals. Have the water after as a rewarder. Please comment down below your favorite high calorie food. What is your weight gain tip? Like, I'll see y'all later. Bye.